Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets being a little bit volatile while consolidating. But if you see in the first half of in the first few candles itself, market did a very good momentum, and then there was a little bit of profit booking, and then premium markets were consolidating in this kind of a tight range. If you see. And Nifty also pretty much consolidating within the day's range. Nifty tried to break out above, but yeah, not a very kind of a bullish closing, you can say, right? Talking about fin nifty also consolidating, but fin nifty, if you see, there was such a good consolidation in the end, right? Anyways, what can we see over here is that now market has done a very good momentum. If you see, a one-sided momentum, and now things could get a little bit volatile in the market, and afterwards we can again expect a trend to come in the market, right? Same thing with nifty also. If you see, again, just continuous momentum over here, right? So what we'll do over here, first of all, is that we will decrease our quantity over here and trade with less quantity until and unless markets kind of um, consolidate over here for some time, stay over here for some time, and once we again see a breakout happening, then we will increase our quantity, right? So keep that in mind and trade less quantity for directional trades, right? If you are trading non-directional, this could be it really won't affect you because markets could stay in a range over here for some time and then again break out, right? So talking about bank nifty, if you see over here there is this trend line, so above this trend line, above 44,000, above this trend line, we will go ahead and take start adding a little bit of quantity, and above 45,350, 350 is where we'll go ahead and add full quantity. Our target will be 45,500 on the upside. Do not aim for big targets over here because markets have already done a very good momentum, so we could see a little bit of volatility on the downside. On the downside, if we open flat and start crossing down, we will take no sort of a trade because there are multiple supports of 45,000, 44,900, because there is a gap over here. So once this gap is filled and once we see a little bit of price action, we'll then decide what we need to do in the markets for tomorrow, right? So again, or if you even open with a gap up somewhere near 45,500 itself, then what you can do is you can go ahead and take a short trade till 45,300. So again, same thing as today, right? As I said, if you open near 45,000, you can go ahead and take a trade once the 5-minute candle is broken down. But if you see, the first 5-minute candle never the low of the first 5-minute candle did not break, and the market just continued on the upside, right? So over here what you can do is very simple. Again, same thing tomorrow also. If we open somewhere near 45,500, even anywhere above 45,500, what we'll do is we'll wait for the first 5-minute candle, we'll wait for the low of the first 5-minute candle to be broken, and then we'll go ahead and take a bearish trade till 45,300 at least, right? But I think we can expect the market to come down even till 45,200 on the downside, right? And Nifty has closed at a good position, but the problem with Nifty is that Nifty has really stretched far, right? If you see, without any major pullback, Nifty has just gone up and up and up. So from 18,650 levels, Nifty has just gone up and up and up, right? So almost 700 point rally without any pullback. So what you can do over here is that we'll trade less quantity on the bullish side as of now. So tomorrow, above 19,340, we'll wait for a 5-minute candle closing, and once we get a 5-minute candle closing, we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade, again less quantity, till 19,395 to 19,400 on the upside. This will be our target only, because since this is a round level, markets could very well take some resistance from here, or some profit booking could come near 19,400 on the upside. On the downside, we can take a trade over here below 19,235. If say markets open the gap down straight up near 19,240, 240, 250, then as soon as we cross 19,235, you can take a bearish trade over here till 19,200 only. Markets then may take some sort of a support over here or start making price action, but that is something that we'll need to see in tomorrow's analysis video. But yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow in the market. But anyways, you can take this trade over here on the downside. Other than that, there is really not a good trade that we can see, right? again, same with Bank Nifty also, but if you see, Bank Nifty really does not has a lot of space, right? Or not such a big gap that you can capture, and that's why I did not recommend doing any sort of a trade in Bank Nifty, right? But again, 45,000 will be a very important level in Bank Nifty. But again, we'll see how tomorrow closes, how the price action is tomorrow, and then we'll talk about in the next video or in tomorrow's video. Talk about Fin Nifty tomorrow. Fin Nifty's expiry. Fin Nifty has its expiry, and most probably expiry could be in this range of like 20,050 to 20,400, because markets have moved kind of on the upside also and on the downside. Today there was a little bit of profit booking, so maybe markets could kind of just move in this range itself. So what you can do is you can sell 20,000 put and 20,400 or 20,450 call on the upside. Okay, on the downside you can also sell 20,100 put if you want, and you can hold this for the rest of the day till it goes to like zero or almost loses all of its value, and then you can square off your position, because most probably markets could be a little volatile and then stay in this range for the rest of the day. Anyways, if the markets do break 20,400 after consolidating over here in the first half, then you can go ahead and take a call, kind of buy a call till the target of 20,500 on the upside. But make sure you, if the momentum has to come, it will come fast. So make sure that the momentum is fast, because premiums could kind of, you could lose a lot on premiums on the upside over here, because again, as you can see, markets have been moving up. So maybe Fin Nifty might not get a lot of support from Bank Nifty tomorrow if it starts breaking out. So the momentum, if it's not fast, just square off your position and just kind of, you can sell a put rather than buying a call. But that is something that you have to decide, because with, I mean, what strategy you're comfortable with, right? Anyways guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. In the next few days, markets could get a little bit volatile, so we will trade with a little bit less quantity until we get a proper trade in the markets. That could be tomorrow, that could be maybe on the expiry. So yeah, again, anyways, just watch my videos and you'll get to know where can you trade aggressively and where can you trade passively, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.